Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am Mohammedadnant and in this video we are going to discuss about data groups in Power BI. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. Data group is useful in Power BI if you want to segregate the value in a range of values. So for example, if you want to group the value between the ranges, if the value is between 1 lakh to 2 lakh, 2 lakh to 5 lakhs, if you want to make a range of the values, then you can also do that. And data group supports the number, date and text as well. So we'll cover all those things in this video. Now let's start with the numbers. So this is a purchase table. Let's have a look at the table structure. Go to data tab and this is the receipt date and receipt value I have, and it consists of almost 11 billion value. So if you look at that, what I have done here, I have segregated value with the value with the range between 0 to 1 lakh, and 1 lakh to 2 lakh, this is the range, and 2 lakh to 3 lakh, this is the range. These are the values here, and this value is divided by 1 lakh. So 1 billion is divided by 1 lakh. So the same way, I have segregated the value here. I have made a bins of 7 lakhs, and here I have made a bin of 1 lakh. How we can do that? So first of all, you need to select the column. So this is the receipt value column. I want to make an aggregate of it or a receipt value. Once you click on the column tools on the top ribbon, you will get the option data groups. You can create a new data group or edit an existing one. So click on new data groups. It will open up a window here, and you can give the name of the column, and this is the field you have selected, and group type, whether it has to be bin or it has to be a list. A list means we have to select the value manually, grouping, and bin we can select the range of it. So I am selecting the bin now, bin, and the minimum is 0 value and maximum, this is the highest value available on the receipt value for per transaction, for single transaction. And in the bin type there are two here. One is the size of the bin and number of the bins. Binning splits numeric or datetime data into equally sized groups. The default bin size is calculated based on your data. So I have this number of records. So based on that, it has calculated the value to this number of bins. If you want to make manually, you can enter it here, number of bins. So by default, based on the bin size, it has calculated 153 bins. That is this the 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. It creates 143. If you want to change, you can also change that. Say for example, if you want to have only 3 bins, you can also click here 3. Based on this bin count, the bin size also is going to change. So click OK, then it will show you the value here. Like the same way, if you want to edit the bin, so I'm just clicking here, and this is the bin I have created. So I'm going to edit now. Click here and then edit groups. So it open up here. What I have done here, I have selected the bin size and I put the value of 7 lakhs. So that's how it has calculated the value based on 7 lakhs, 14, 2, 21 and 28. So the same way I have done it here by the 1 lakh value. Now let's move on to the date condition, how it reacts. In the same way, for the date, I have selected the receipt date, and if I click here and then edit groups, in the field it has selected receipt date, and group type it's also bin, and the minimum value in the receipt table is this, I mean in purchase table, and maximum value is this, and I want to group it by number of bins. So I have made a calculation of 4 bin count. So total number of days it is taking it here instead of value like we are seeing in numbers. As this is the date, so it is taking the value of number of days. So for each bin it will take 241 days. If you want to increase, you can also increase it here. So click OK. The same way it has calculated here for each and every 4 year. It has calculated these are the receipt values in lakhs. And another way you can also do that. So just click here and then edit groups. In the previous one I have selected number of bins, whereas now if you select the size of the bin, then you got this option, the bin size, how much bin size you need and what the frequency of it, years, month, days, hours, minutes and seconds. These are the options available here, but right now I selected number of 6 months. So for each and every 6 months it will calculate the value. This is the value of each and every 6 months. And let's have a look at the text, how it reacts. Say for example we have the purchase based on the teams A, B, C up to Z. So in that case we want to segregate the value by how much quantity the A, B and C in combination of the three teams, this is the value, and rest of the teams, this is the value. Or else we can also do it here like this, for A separate, B separate, C separate and rest of the teams in one. How we can do this? So we can just click here, same again, select the column and data groups and then new data groups. It will open a window, the field is team, and then in the group list I can't able to select the list or number of bins. It has only one option, that is list. So these are the ungrouped values in the team. If I want to club the value of A, B and C, I need to select it by using the control or shift key. If I select control, then I can select multiple here. If I select shift, then I to select all the values. So A, B and C, and then click on the group. So for A, B, C it has calculated one value. So we can also change the name here as well, A, B, C test, and here you can change. And here is the option here, include other groups. So whatever you have not selected here, it will all comes under the others. So others contains all ungrouped values. This is how I have done it here for the case of this one. ABC is this value and others is this value. To take an example of this, so ABC in a separate list and others in a separate list. Not only that, you can also this way. So let's have a look at this. Click here, edit group. Here manually I have selected A one time and then B second and then C second, and I will take this option include other group, so it contains all the values which is not selected on the top. Now the most important thing which is very helpful using this group data group function is the top n features. Even most of them have asked this feature that how can I extract the value of the top n values and the rest of the values. So for example, if I want to filter the data by top 3, so 1, 2, 3 and rest of the values in other, like the same way top 5 items and rest of the value is on others. First of all, say for example, you have a table with the top values. So this is the product and this is the value and this is the rank of it. So I'm selecting this now, top 5, and then go to here, edit group, field name and the type. What I have done here, I have manually selected the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I included this option, include other groups. So 6, 7, 8 values, it will come under that. Like the same way I have done for top 3, 1, 2 and 3, others all under, there is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all comes under others category. So we can do this in tags and it's a little bit tedious process, we have to work on a tags, but this made our life a lot easier. So we can just take the value from the fact table and we can create a top n with the rank function, and then we can use this feature to get the desired output. I hope this is one of the best features available in Power BI. We can group the data together in the range of values. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it in the comment section below. If you are visiting first time to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.